Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a transition effect using Adobe After Effects. So this is the cool tutorial, keep watching. And before starting this tutorial, if you still not subscribe my channel or if you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get all of my new videos notification. So let's have a look what we'll create in this video. This was the animation that we'll create in this video. To create this, open After Effects, go to composition, create a new composition and rename it to main. And I am using 1920 pixel by 1080 pixel full HD, and duration I am using 5 seconds. You can choose any color, then click OK. Now right click on your mouse, go to new, create a new solid. For this time I am using this red color. You can use any color for your transition effect, then click OK. Now select this and drag this anchor point to this corner. You can press and hold Ctrl to set it perfectly. So now press S to open scale and change its scale value to 240. It will decrease our size. Now press R to open rotation. You can rotate it with this. So at first frame set it to -90 and create a keyframe here. Go to around 20 frame and change it to +90. Select all of these keyframes and make them easy ease. Click here to graph editor, and if you don't like your graph editor like this, then right click on your mouse and select edit speed graph. Now make it something like this. Now let's see this. Now go to effect and preset window, and here search for drop shadow and apply it to this layer. Now let's create duplicate of this solid. Press Ctrl D and change this layer color to another color. Select this solid, go to layer and solid setting. I am using blue color for this time. You can use any color you want. And go forward 3 frame, place down 3 times and place it to here. Now duplicate it more 3 times and change all of this color you want. Select this, go to layer, solid setting. For this time I am using green, and again change this, and this time I am using yellow, and select this green, place down 3 times from here, forward 3 times and set it here, again forward 3 frames, set it here. Now let's see the preview. So this was the transition. Now select all of them and recompose it, rename it to transition. So this was the transition. Now let's render this. For using it in any After Effects, go to composition, add to render queue, then click on this slow slide option, change it to quick time and change this format to animation. Now change this channel to RGB plus alpha. Click OK, click here to select your output folder, then click OK. Now click on this render option. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please make sure that you subscribe my channel and share this video with your social media and comment how you like this. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.